Hi everyone, welcome to Merchant of Venice yet again. We continue doing Merchant of Venice Act 1, Scene 1. So, a quick recap of what was done up to now. There are three characters standing in the middle of the road because they have nowhere else to go. It is Antonio, Salarino and Salanio. Okay, they are standing on the street and they are talking. Antonio is sad for no good reason. He does not know the reason for his sadness. And Salanio and Salarino are trying to cheer him up. Okay, by saying that if you are sad, you must be sad because of your merchandise. And if we were in your place, we also would have been in the same situation. Salanio, Salarino both are saying dialogues in the same direction. I'll quickly remind you about that soup, about that stone building, then that hourglass, then that silk cloth that spills over, then many spices. When the ship would hit a big rock. Okay, so now Salanio, Salarino, both of them are saying that we also would have been equally worried. Antonio is replying to that. So now we begin with the dialogue of Antonio. Antonio, believe me, no. He says, no, it is not the reason for my sadness. It is not my merchandise that makes me feel sad. So what he says, believe me, no. I thank my fortune for it. Believe me, I am not sad because of my merchandise and I thank my fortune for it. I'll remind you, I'll be writing the meanings below the dialogues, okay? So, I thank my fortune for it. I thank my fortune matlab kya? I thank my luck for it. Luckily, I am not sad because of my merchandise. I am not even thinking about it, okay? Otherwise, I understand that I should be worried. You are also guessing that I am worried because of the merchandise. But luckily, I thank my luck for it. I thank God for it. That I am not sad because of my merchandise for it. My ventures are not in one bottom trusted. What he says is, my ventures, matlab all these merchandise, my enterprises, my adventurous sales expectation that I am having, that I will be sending ships across all places. So, my ventures are not in one bottom trusted. My ventures are not in one bottom. One bottom matlab kya? What will be at the bottom of the boat? Sea or oceans, waters, right? So, my ventures are not in one bottom trusted. They are not in one sea or in one ocean. Not any ocean, not any sea can be trusted. So, my ventures are not in one bottom trusted, nor to one place. Nor are all the ventures, all the ships going to one country only. They are in different seas and oceans, they are going to different countries. Alright. So, not in one bottom trusted, nor to one place. Nor is my whole estate upon the fortune of this present year. Nor is my entire estate, nor is my entire earnings, nor is my entire business dependent. Estate matlab you can consider it to be business or income upon the fortune of this present year. I am not totally dependent on whatever will come this year. I will get only that much money, baki kuch paisa nahi hai. I have enough money, so there is no real question in my mind regarding my ventures also. Even if I don't get a single rupee out of any of these ventures, I am okay with that. Because I have enough money stacked. Remember this point. He says, my whole estate does not depend on the fortune of this present year. Remember this point. Later in the scene, we will have to come back to this. Okay? Therefore, so he says, see, I am not dependent on this money for my earnings. Alright? So, this is not the cause of my concern. Therefore, my merchandise makes me not sad. My merchandise, my navy ships and my business is not the reason for my sadness. Okay? Salarino says, well, then you are in love. Acha, you are not sad because of your merchandise. Then you must be in love. Like you love? But the lovers mein aisa hota hai. Lovers are worried for no reason. You can look at your parents. Okay? They are worried for no reason. They are just worried why, what my husband must be doing, what my wife, what my girlfriend must be doing. So then you are in love. Because they are the ones who are sad for no reason. Okay? Now see, I'll just highlight one way of talking. When they say why, this is not a question that they ask. They don't ask why. Why is equal to Hindi ka word, you can think of it to be as acha. So when he says, why then you are in love. So it is not why then you are in love. He says why. Means acha, then you are in love. Okay, understand this, because this kind of words will be a part of the entire script. That is how they talk. Okay, so why does not is not the question. Y is equal to acha over here. Acha, then you are in love. Antonio says 5-5, 5-5. 5-5 does not mean 5-5 girlfriends hai. 5-5 means shame on you. I am so old, as Charu Miss had shown you in the video, that Antonio is very old. He's an old merchant, old and wealthy merchant. So must be 9900 years old. Not that old, but he is old. So he says that at this age you are claiming me to be in love. So the 5-5 means shame on you. How can you even think about it? Okay. Salarino says, acha, then you are not in love neither. Not in love neither means you are not in love also. Okay. Then let us say you are sad because you are not married. Let us say that you are sad because you are not happy. Now see, in general, when you happen to meet your friend or maybe some of your relative, they ask you, okay, how are you? You will say, nah, all fine, I am good, everything nice. कोई friend पूछा कैसा है? हाँ, मजे में, सब ठीक है. मजे में or I am fine does not even require a reason for you to be happy. When I say कैसा है, you say मजे में. Has anything in particular happened to you for you to be happy? You are happy because of some reason? No. You say you are happy, ऐसे ही. So, I say I am happy when I am not sad. In Gujarati also someone asks kem jo, so you will say majama. There is no reason for that maja. ऐसा नहीं है कि today I have been to some theme park or water park, or today I have found gold in my bag. That's why I am happy. We just say I am happy because I am not sad. So, in that same way, see, in that same context, let us say you are sad because you are not happy. In general, what we say, maze mein, I am happy. Okay. So, in general, we say, I am happy. Why? Because I am not sad. Correct. I say I am happy because I am not sad. In the same way, I can say I am sad because I am not happy. Just like if I am happy does not require a reason to be happy. Similarly, I can be sad for no reason also. Just like we are happy for no reason. क्या चल रहा है? Everything good. सब कुछ मजे में. Similarly, I can say I am sad because I am not happy. Are you understanding? So what he is saying is that then let us say you are sad because you are not happy. And it were as easy for you to laugh and leap and say you are happy, merry because you are not sad. Similarly, in this same context, as I told you about this equation, ये मैथ्स के जैसा देखो, happy is equal to not sad, happy इधर गया, sad इधर आया, interchange जो भी होता है LHS RHS. So sad is equal to not happy. So as it were, this is it were, the apostrophe is for I. Okay, so it is it were. As it were, as easy for you to laugh and leap. Laugh and leap मतलब be happy, jump in joy. Leap मतलब to jump. You are jumping, dancing, just happy for no reason. Why are you happy? I don't know. I say bus. I don't have any work. Nothing has gone wrong, so I am happy. I am not sad because of anything, so I am happy. Similarly, you can say that you are sad because there is nothing that has made me happy. I hope you understood this. I am stressing a little more because this is the main plot, that he is sad. Okay, so for it was as easy for you to laugh and leap and say you are merry, you are happy because you are not sad. Are you understanding? He is saying that it is absolutely okay for you to be sad for no reason, because generally we are happy for no reasons. Are you understanding? So this is the last dialogue where Salarino tries to console or sympathize with Antonio. Now this dialogue is further ahead. This ends line number 50. So we are just taking a pause at line number 50, and then further ahead we will continue from where we have stopped. Now for your preparations regarding Merchant of Venice, very soon you will be having a live test taken on this. A verbal test, the details will be sent to you personally. For now, what you will need to prepare. Read through all the dialogues from the notes that we have sent to you, the textbook that I have given to you. Okay. We have also sent copies of reference books of Merchant of Venice. In that, we have annotations given to you. Those annotations will be learnt by you. So I'll just write down so that there is no confusion about it. First is the annotations. Annotations, plainly said, these are passages. These you will be studying from the reference book of Elite that has been sent to you. Alright? Second thing, just before the test, you will read line number 1 to line number 50 where we have stopped. Okay, just read through the whole text. Alright? Third thing, learn the meanings in all the videos that I have written at the bottom. Okay, so what may be asked to you? Annotations, that is question answers of the passages. In the textbook, I may tell you to explain this particular line. Okay, so you have to know each and every word of the textbook. And the last thing, the meanings that I have written at the bottom. Alright, on that note, this is Ronak Shah signing off for Elite Tutorials. God bless you.